Good morning, children. How are you all? How was the week last week? And how was your celebration? Did you all enjoy? Yes? Okay. I think you all are still in that mood. Yeah, that is the Festival of Lamps in our Tamil local people. Okay. So, okay, now let's go into our new lesson called The Hidden Gift. The name itself says some interesting thing, isn't it? Yes. Yes, before going into our lesson, let's have a starter. Here, they have given you four paths where Kevin can go and hunt the treasure. So, this is called a treasure hunt, we can say. So, he is coming all the way from somewhere through a ship and is so in one, two, three, four ways given. In one of the four ways, he is going to get this treasure. Let's now check. So number one, going this way. Then you are also come along with him and find. So no, the first way is this. This I'm getting. When I go for second way, I'm getting into this. I think it is whale or something like that, some fish, big fish, giant fish. Then third one, I'm going this way, and I'm just meeting a octopus, an octopus. Then fourth way, yes, it is the way for the treasure. Yeah, I got it. So okay, this way you find the treasure. Use the fourth way. You also try by yourself. Okay. So next is going into the story. We have Meena's birthday party. So as usual, all the birthday celebration is there in a birthday party. All the children are gathering there for Meena's birthday party. All our friends are gathering there. And what happens? It was a birthday, and the cake is displayed on the dining table, and all are standing around it. And there were seven candles also because I think it is our seventh birthday. And Meena blew the cake and cut the cake. As usual, she is cutting the cake. Okay. So everyone clapped and immediately they will sing the birthday song. So they are singing the birthday song. The children romped around and played games merrily. So inside indoor games they are playing. They are starting playing by blowing the balloon and just bursting it. All that happens as usual, which will happen in the regular birthday party. And Meena's mother now she plans for a game. So that will be the name of the game will be the treasure hunt. So she says all the children to come to the garden when she says okay or when she calls. So what happens? She goes and hides a gift under some bushes in the garden. And she calls all the children who are gathered for the birthday party. So what happens? All are going, and now when she started. She called, and all of them at once reached there in the garden, started searching for the gift. That is the we can say treasure hunt also. So what we can do is we'll take one gift and we'll hide it somewhere so that others cannot see. They'll have to search all around, and one of them will get for sure. So they are the winner. So like that, she has planned this game, that is the treasure hunt game. And so she is keeping it under some bushes, and she is coming off. All are going and searching, and some is in between the flower bed, under the bushes. All are searching. Now we know this screaming. I have found it. Is screaming. He tried to lift the parcel. He is screaming and then he is trying to lift the parcel, but it is too heavy. He is unable to carry it. But somehow he is managing to carry it and he is bringing it. At the same time, I have found it, Rita also says. Rita says, and from behind the bushes, she brings another gift which is not too heavy, which is of ordinary size and weight. Everyone was puzzled. What? Two gift? Mama said only one, that is auntie. That is Meena's mother. Said only one gift. What? Two are bringing two gifts. What is this? Even Meena's mother also surprised to see that. And when they brought it inside the house, they both started opening the gift. But one was too heavy, which this boy, Vinod, is unable to carry. It's too heavy. Okay, so Mama is asking now to open the parcel. Open the parcel, and Meenal, when sorry, no, it's not Meenal, it's Rita. When Rita opened it, she found a little book full of pictures. Actually, that was kept by Meenal's mother. So yeah, that is only right. That is only the gift which is kept by Meenal's mother. Okay, so she is keeping that. So she's when she is opening that, she finds that little green book with golden edges. So this book has got many pictures inside it. Okay, let this be. Let us have fun. So they thought in that way, and they are enjoying that gift. But another gift by this Vinod is when he opens, he finds two heavy golden bars. Okay, so he finds two heavy golden bars. This one, can you see in his hand these two golden bars? When he opens those two golden bars, all are surprised to see what is that. So then at the same time, two policemen enters the house. So what he says, he is asking, he's inquiring about the what is because they all know what for they have come. So they are, and this policeman are saying actually a thief has done in between or behind the house, behind their house, and he has kept these golden bars somewhere down because he has stolen it from jewelry, and he has kept it and he had hidden it under the bushes so that when nobody is watching them, when nobody is watching him, he thought he'll take it. So, but this information the policeman got, and they are rushing to that place, and they are just catching the police thief, and they are searching for the golden bars. But when they entered the house, surprisingly or happily, they found the golden bars, and when they asked about it, they said the whole story regarding the treasure hunt. And and Vinod also is ready to hand over that golden bar to the policeman. So when he is handing over that golden bar to the policeman were very happy, and they all appreciated him by cheering him up by clapping or something. Okay, so this now Vinod is very happy, and even the whole party was happy with the new treasure hunt also with by Rita, and also the mood, birthday mood. Even this treasure hunt for the policeman also brings a special mood for them to play again the or to proceed to lead the birthday party. They were happy and they started having fun and enjoying the birthday party with the people, with their friends. That's what has happened. So let's have a short recap of the story. The thing is, the birthday party celebrating for Meenal. I think she is 7 years because kept in seven candles kept in on the cake, and the whole houses with full of decorations and balloons, everything, and all are ready to celebrate the birthday. All Meenal's friends have gathered there, and all are having fun they started, Meena started blowing the candles. After blowing the candles, all have clapped and started singing the birthday song. Then she cut the cake and she distributed it to all. After this happening, mother plans for another game that is called the treasure hunt. She calls all the children to the garden where she kept her hidden gift, and she says somewhere it is hidden and you'll have to find it out. One of you will be finding out the gift and you will be given the gift. So that is what this treasure hunt. So all are searching behind the bushes and between the flower beds everywhere. But Vinod finds one gift. At the same time, Rita also finds another gift. But which Vinod gets is actually it's too heavy, and Rita's is normal. She carries it. But according to Meenal's mother, the gift is not that heavy. Then that suits Rita's one, and where they both gets into the house and finds it out. When opening the gift, Rita's gift is a little green book with full of pictures and which has the golden edges. The pages had the golden edges, but the Vinod's one is the too heavy with the golden bars. So this golden bars, so when they are just opening and uh, just finding it, what's happening, the policeman enters the house and he says about what had happened. These are the two golden bars stolen by a thief who is hiding behind the house. So, but the policeman caught the thief, but the golden bars are with Vinod, which he found out from the bushes, which was hidden by the police, not police, which was hidden by the thief, and which was hidden by the thief. So so he planned to hide it behind the bushes, and when after some time he can take, he felt, but it was found out by Vinod, and the policeman were very happy to see the gift he has found out, and they also thanked Vinod for bringing the gift, and sorry, not for bringing the golden vase. Okay, so he is now, and all are cheering Vinod up, and this party is getting a new mood again, and all are having nice fun after that. And this party is all good. Birthday party is also bringing a different kind of birthday party with different moods, and all are again starting enjoying their birthday with this mood. That's it. Okay, children. So with this, we are completing this lesson. Then the exercises regarding this lesson will be discussed in the next video. Thank you.